In this short video guide, you will learn about display screen equipment, or DSE as it is commonly known, the legal requirement, and your employer's commitments, how to set up your workstation correctly, and undertaking a DSE assessment, the importance of taking breaks, and how to avoid fatigue and eye strain. Many of us know that working at a computer all day can cause aches and pains, yet too many people are still prepared to accept this as normal. With more of us now working from home, it has become increasingly more important that employers assess their employees' home working equipment and working environment. Regulations will be different internationally, and in some countries they may not even apply. Regardless of legislation, it is considered good practice to complete DSE training and assessment. Employer best practice. Do a DSE workstation assessment. Reduce risks, including making sure employees take breaks from DSE work, or do something different. Provide an eye test if an employee asks for one. Provide training and information for employees. Display screen equipment, or DSE as it is commonly known, includes both conventional displays and those used in emerging technologies. DSE includes laptops, touchscreens and other similar devices, including smartphones. Incorrect use of DSE can lead to pain in necks, shoulders, backs, arms, wrists and hands, as well as fatigue and eye strain. The causes may not always be obvious. These poor health symptoms can also be experienced from poorly designed workstations or work environments. In this section we look at the importance of good workstation design, and how to set up your work area, to minimize the risks to your health. A workstation setup includes table, chair, computer equipment and accessories such as mouse, document holder, and footrest if needed. Remember the following points when setting up the workstation area. Equipment placement should allow movement of arm and wrist. Arrange the desk and screen to avoid glare and reflections. Adjust curtains or blinds to prevent intrusive light. Forearms should be approximately horizontal. Eyes should be the same height as the top of the screen. Ensure there is space under the desk to move and stretch legs. Avoid pressure from the edge of seats on the backs of legs. A footrest may be required, where the feet do not touch the floor. Many people now regularly use portable computers, tablets and laptops. To reduce manual handling, fatigue, and posture issues, you should do the following. Use a docking station and a full-sized keyboard and mouse whenever possible. The height and position of the portable screen should be angled so that you are sitting comfortably. Ensure the computer is safe to use and not faulty. Laptops generate heat, avoid direct contact with the body and ensure they are used on a suitable work surface for prolonged use. You should also consider the potential risks from manual handling, if you carry heavy equipment, luggage and papers. The mouse and keyboard should be suitable for the tasks it is used for. Most devices are best placed as close as possible to each other. For example, the mouse should be beside the keyboard. Leave a space in front of the keyboard for resting your hands. Keep your wrists as straight as possible. Keep a soft touch on the keys. When using a mouse, place your hand in a comfortable position, to reduce stress on the wrist and hand. Prevent your arm from overreaching. Do not leave your hand on the device when it is not being used. Encourage a relaxed arm and straight wrist when working. Support the forearm on the desk. Don't grip the mouse too tightly and rest fingers lightly on the buttons. Anything that requires intense use of your eyes can cause fatigue. Some of the most common causes are reading, writing, driving and display screen use. To avoid eye strain when using display screens, remember the following. Ensure characters are sharp and in focus. Adjust the brightness and contrast to the correct levels. Keep the screen surface clean. Remember to blink and take a break. The chair must be suitable, stable and adjustable to ensure it is comfortable. Adjust your chair before you use it and check you can sit in it correctly. The seat back height and tilt should be adjustable. The seat should have height adjustment, casters or glides. Do not use the chair if it is faulty. Taking breaks can reduce or prevent stress, help to maintain performance throughout the day, and reduce the need for a long recovery at the end of your work. Stretch and change your position as often as possible. Look into the distance from time to time, blink, and do not stare for prolonged periods. Variation in your work are important. Change activity before you get tired, rather than try to recover. Short, frequent breaks are better than long, infrequent ones. Aim for a 5-minute break for every hour worked. Remember to stay hydrated and break for lunch. It is good practice to complete a DSE workstation assessment, and provide an eye test if an employee asks for one. You can help your eyes by checking the screen is well positioned and properly adjusted so it is easy to see. Check lighting conditions are suitable and use a desk light if needed. Take regular breaks from any display screen work. If you require an eye test, you should indicate that this is required on your risk assessment. An assessment must be reviewed at regular intervals, at least annually, and should be completed by the person using the equipment. An assessment can be undertaken by self-assessment, however a DSE user should discuss with their manager if there are any identified issues. A reassessment is required if major changes are made to the equipment, furniture, work environment or software. A reassessment is required if users change to a different workstation or the nature of the work change considerably. A reassessment is required if it is thought that the controls in place may be causing other problems. You can undertake a risk assessment using the iProtectU DSE assessment. It can be found in either your profile or the risk module. Most users can self-assess their work environment using a simple and effective 5-minute assessment. DSE users and home workers can self-assess, enabling employers to meet their legal obligations, and focus on the issues that arise. iProtectU users have reported significant reductions in workplace DSE injuries, improved absence and reduced cost of legal compliance. Avoid slouching, sit upright and close to the desk. Don't grip the mouse too tightly and support the forearm. Bending wrists when typing. Don't forget to take short, frequent breaks. Overstretched fingers, keep a soft touch on keys. Don't let the screen become dirty or work with small text. Don't forget to report any issues such as visual fatigue, aches and pains. Don't store equipment or documents under the desk. Complete an annual assessment for your workstation. Ensure your forearms are horizontal and your eyes are level with the top of the screen. Make sure there is enough space for documents and equipment. Arrange the desk and screen to avoid glare or reflections. Position the keyboard and mouse within easy reach. Ensure individual characters on the screen are sharp. Adjust the brightness and contrast controls. Laptop users should use a docking station,